Come.
Okay, Facebook, we are here with Johnny and Aggie Mae to deliver a prayer blessing blanket from Deborah Bell and the Blanketeers in St. Clair Shores in Michigan. And so we're going to take out this beautiful blanket. Oh my soul. Oh, how sweet. This beautiful mint green, and there is a card. Oh, that's gorgeous. Looky here, girl. Let's just put that on you like that. And it says, she's going to go visit. Come here, baby girl.
Come here. Come here.
The card reads, Dearest Aggie Mae, prayers and lots of Cettergen from Mandy, myself, and the Blanketeers. Hugs, sweet girl, Deb Bell. We want to thank Deb, FABB, yes, which stands for Fur Angels Blessing Blanket, or reverse those last two words. And certainly you can see Aggie Mae is a different girl than the day we greeted Facebook when she was going in to find out how they were going to take care of the issue with her part of her leg missing. And she's already gained a lot of weight. And Johnny said that she took off in a run just a few days ago. So she's doing all the good and is dealing with this in the most fabulous way. God has certainly blessed her life and Johnny. So thank you again, Deborah Bell and the Blanketeers, for this amazing blanket.
Get a close-up here of Aggie Mae. She's walking toward me. Girl, you're looking good.
She does, even her
You are
eyes.
looking so good. She gets along so good with her leg.
Isn't it amazing what they can do, Johnny?
It is.
I'm trying to get a picture of her, but she's following me.
Come here, sweet girl.